Alright, so, I'm currently at my grandma's house, for those of you who know me, and it is hailing outside. Yeah, that's right, it's hailing. So, we're just in the exercise room, as you might be able to see. This is my cousin Damien. But we're in the basement so that the hail and thunder and lightning can't get us, right, buddy?
It can't get us when the door is closed.
Nope. So, just a quick hail update. I'll post the video of actual hail in a couple of minutes. So, yeah. It's kind of scary out there. I don't know what my grandpa... Yeah, especially with the lightning. I don't know what my grandpa is thinking. My Poppy. You might hear me calling him Poppy. That's just what I call him, okay? But anyway, Poppy is crazy. He is out there when the hail is coming down.
Hail is fun to play in.
Yeah, when it's not coming down on your head.
No, hail is fun to play in whenever. Except when there's lightning. Or something else bad.
Damien, hail can break 3-inch thick windows.
Ooh, that is cool.
And also scary. Imagine what it could do to your head.
It could bounce off my head.
It could break your skull.
Window. No, it wouldn't. Because I've already broke my chin.
What?
Uh-huh.
You didn't tell me about that.
It didn't happen that long ago. It happened in too fast when I was walking across the balance beam. And then we were jumping off, and then I jumped off, but landed on my something and hoped that my face wouldn't go down, and my face went down, and I broke my chin, and I could barely eat lunch, and I broke my knee when I was trying to do an obstacle course at Matilda's school, and I completed the first obstacle, and I tried jumping to the next obstacle, and my knee hit it, and I broke my knee. And I had to hop on one foot all the way back to the car.
This kid. I'm just going to end the video right here. Bye.